Hi everyone, and welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. Today I'm going to be making a homemade creamy tomato soup. I am going to be doubling the recipe. However, on the screen I'm going to be listing the ingredients as just a single batch recipe. So feel free to double, triple the ingredients as shown, as long as it fits in your pot. But yeah. From there, at the end of the video, I will have a cost analysis breakdown of the total dollar value it takes to make a single batch. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started.